Trista?
Good, Dennis. How are you?
I'm doing good. Cary Middle School. My name is Dennis Luellen. I'm the executive director of a nonprofit called Rebuilding Together Greater Dallas. And I'm here today to announce to you and to Trista Hopkins that works here at Cary Middle School that she is the recipient of our Homes for Heroes program, and her home is going to be completely remodeled and rebuilt thanks to Oh, but wait, there's more. In addition to the remodel, a group called Dwell with Dignity, Kim Turner, they're going to remodel the inside of the house. Thanks to additional partners, Camden Properties is going to give you an apartment for the time you're out of your home. So you'll be staying at Camden Farmers Market, and we're going to get that all set up. You'll have an apartment until we're done with your home. So thanks to our partners, Home Depot, and all those folks, we are very happy to have you be the recipient of our Homes for Heroes program.
Thank you so
Thank you for what you do.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.